Alrighty, gang. Good morning. Today is August 20, 2024. Uh, no, 2025. Alrighty, gang. Let's see what happened. Last week we talked about. Um, well, before I do that, uh, what is it? I have to put my disclaimer. My invitation to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free, and this could be a powerful tool. All right. All right. Let's get into the analysis. All right. Here we go. Last week we talked about this trade, and it's already happening, people. It's the British pound US dollar. Those are my positions in there. Let me get it away from there. Trade level out. Okay. What we saw in the last analysis, can you see it? Impulse, retracement, impulse. So this, we projected this. We were expecting this, and it started to happen. Can you see it? Now the question is, how far will that go? All right, let's do what we did was, let me do it again. Right, we have this impulse here. This is amazing, people. This is incredible. All right, we can see that the price never reached my 75 point, and it practically bounced from the 61. It did 100% a retracement of this leg. Can you see it? And this is what we do on what we did in the last video. All right. So how far we can expect reasonable than this reach here? I mean, how far? Well, if we follow the Fibonacci strategy, this price should reach this point here. This is our target. All right. Now, what else can we do? I don't remember if I did this, but I'm going to do it again. Let's get on a higher time frame, 4 hours, so we can see prospectus, people. Don't get too close. Can you see it? Impulse, retracement, back to the golden radio. It kind of came back, never touch our stream. This is what we use as a stream in my system. Now, we have a reasonable expectation based on historical data that this price will come back to this point. Will it happen? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. But that is going to be my target. Now, I had to wait. So I had to answer two questions. When this price is going to reach here? Now, remember, people, at this point, we are speculating, and so far it's working. Now, I'm going one level higher, which is based on what we know, what we can reasonably expect. Do I know this is going to happen? No. But based on historical data of using this is first, this movement target is here. The second target is the Fibonacci expansion. All right, let's see it. One touch, second touch, and we bring it back up here. Based on experience, this level is insane. If you look to the left, you can see that this here is a phenomenon. All right, and if you project it even further, you will see that this area is super relevant. Let's mark it. Right. Might be a little higher. So we should expect to come down here, cross half of the trade, and let the other half fly to this point. All right. Now, the third question: when will this happen? To do that, I use a more fancy tool, which is this one. Bim! This is simple, a zigzag indicator then mark me the high point and low point, high point and low point, so I can pick uh how should I call pass high and low, okay, to do a projection. At the same time, give me my zone of support and resistance. As you can see, the next support is way down here. We already saw that. It's this point here, okay. So what we're gonna do now, let's use, this is another zigzag of a major range, all right. uh, Sometimes I trade with these two. This is my direction of the trend, and this is my pullback. Buy, 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 buy. But that's me. All right. Now, this point will not happen until the leg is complete. So it's different. Let's don't talk about that. Let's continue to move in the question of when we can expect this pullback to finish. All right. As you can see in there, I want to take it off. Is the Fibonacci time projection. All right. Let me take it out to redraw it. Object. Fibonacci time lag. Again, this indicator, the only thing it does, give me this high and low point that are already established. That's a great use of the zigzag indicator. It's very hard to do trades with this thing because it is adjusting. The job of this indicator is to tell you the high and the low point of the past so you can project it to the future. This is what we do. This is what traders do. They study this and project it to the future. Now we're going to do Fibonacci time projection. All right. So we're going to use two established points. As you can see, these are established, low, 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 high, high, high. Let's use this leg and project it forward. See when we can expect this movement to complete, okay? The question is when. Object Fibonacci time zone. We take this point and we take this point. Oop. Right there. So according to Fibonacci time projection, we should expect the price to get here around August 24. August 24? No, August 25. So according to Fibonacci projection, the price should be there by August 25. What about the price projection? Let's see it. Let's do it again here. We got impulse. You see it? Impulse, retracement, impulse. Okay. So yeah, we're measuring the long leg here. All right. This long leg here to do the projections. Let me see. Right here. Impulse, retracement. Okay. Watch this, people. This is crazy. We're doing this again on top of the other one. I don't like to do that because so many lines, but let's do it. Boom. Dead up here. A little bit higher than 61. All right. But remember, my zone is 75 and 25. All right. Now let's do the Fibonacci price projection. We're doing time projection, Fibonacci price projection. Okay. We are projecting like crazy here. I kind of like this because it's an element of mystery. Holy crap. Same day. How could that be? Okay, something is off here. This is August 25, and I can see that my line here cross on the money there. Dun, dun, dun. All right, let's see what happened when the price hit this line in August 2025. If we get to, I believe it's going to get to the bottom here, but it cannot get at the same time here. So that will be the next line. Make sense? This phenomenon cannot happen in the same day unless aliens invade England or some shit like that, and this drop like crazy. I doubt that. All right. I'm talking about reasonable expectation. If everything remains the same, we can expect that when the price touch this line, should be around this level, 100%. All right. So the next line should be the next line, which is September 3rd. So this movement should end between August 25 and September 3rd, not 10th, 3rd. All right, gang, I did it. It's in video. Let me get closer. I'm going to say it again. Based on what we measure, and these are based on historical data, this price should reach this level by August 25. It should reach the 131 expansion by September the 3rd. Let it be written. Let it be done. Bye.